good morning, my dear students. Today I'm going to tell on air aspirator system. Okay, what do you mean by air aspirator system? So nowadays some engine uses a air aspirator valve in place of air pump to reduce the unburnt fuel gases released from the vehicle. Okay, na. So air aspiratory system, it is a pump. It is a type of ejector jet pump which produces a vacuum near to the silencer. Okay, na. In a aspirator, the working fluid, that may be a liquid or gaseous, flows through a tube that first narrows and then expands near cross-sectional area. When the tube narrows, the fluid pressure decreases and fresh air enters into the cylinder. By doing this, the fuel gases reduce. I will show this in the slide. Okay, now how it is used for air aspirator system in a vehicle. So it is a device for removing the liquid or gases by a suction, especially in an instrument that uses a suction to remove the substances such as a serum, that is a very waste oil, from the body cavity. A suction pump is used to create a partial vacuum system. So this is a air aspiratory system, front view and top view, that is a side view. Okay, now how it will work. So nowadays we know that some engines uses a air aspirator valve in place of air pump. So this is because of very easy movement. Okay, na. This is the one-way check valve. The opening and closing the exhaust valve causes a variation in the exhaust manifold pressure. When this exhaust pressure in the below atmospheric has to reaches, then a fresh air admit through the air aspirator valve to nozzle in the exhaust manifold. This process can be repeated several times, so that it can reduce the hydrocarbon and that is carbon, nitrogen oxide, etc. Okay, now this is about the working of air aspirator system valve. Just remember that in this is a system, or this is a pump which will be fitted into the vehicle to reduce the hydrocarbon and waste product. Okay, now I hope you understand this. Okay, now thank you very much.